everyone, Amanda here. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm here to share my French Vintage Journal Masterclass with you. And in the Masterclass, we create this stunning journal. It's absolutely beautiful, okay? So I'm going to explain what the Masterclass is, tell you what you get, including a 63 pages of digitals. And then after I've explained as quick as I can, I'm going to do a walkthrough of this journal. So this is what you're going to make. You can do it exactly the same as me because we have private videos in the masterclass. Okay, so you get 10 private videos, and then there's a final overview, which will be this video. Okay, they're all private. They are on YouTube, but they are private. They are for people taking the masterclass only, and they are ad free. I've switched off the ads. So in the downloads, so you can go to my Ko-fi shop, and in the shop section you will see French Vintage Journal Masterclass. And you also get this in the downloads, which is a PDF with a clickable link that takes you to the private playlist. Okay, so 10 classes. There's about 6 hours worth of classes. Okay, and they're all done by me. They're all done informally, in real time, and it's really fun because it's like crafting with me in my craft room rather than, you know, being in a class. So 6 hours of classes, and then you've got 63 pages of downloads. I bet you're wondering, how much is this going to cost me? Well, I would value this class. How much would a 6-hour craft class cost you? Then 63 pages of digitals. I'd say you'd easy pay upwards of 50, 60, 70, 80 and upwards, pounds and dollars. I'm only charging £3, which is roughly $4 because it's part of my membership. And you can join the membership for 1 month and then leave, or you can stay and enjoy the rest of the member perks. But it's £3 for all this. So let me show you the digitals. So the first thing you're getting is the Parisian collection. Now this is available to purchase separately over on my Ko-fi to non-members. Okay, so it's beautiful and it's all vintage. These are pure vintage, these pages. I'm going to go through as quick as I can. It's beautiful, absolutely stunning. Okay, stunning Parisian theme, vintage Parisian theme, all of it. Okay, lovely collage pages, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, if you can hear squeaking in the background, it's my washer, my pipes, because my washer's on. Okay, so let's just look at that one. It's stunning. I made this quite a while ago, but in the masterclass you get this free. Okay, I think there's is it 33 pages, okay, of that one. Some plainer ones, some beautiful vintage patterns. That one's a mixture of patterns for ripping up. And then you get some tags and some words and journaling cards. We've got envelopes. You've got everything you need. And then we've got some vintage French fussy cuts. That's part of this collection. There. And some more tags. So as well as the Parisian collection and an exclusive to this masterclass, you also get these. And I've called these French Vintage Extras, I think. Okay, so when you're looking in the files, just download everything you need in either letter size or A4, JPEG or PDF. Just download the ones that you need, okay? So these are genuine vintage postcards that I've shrunk down. We've got some florals, more postcards, more French ephemera and other things that I thought were nice. I've stolen this from another collection. Some more vintage things. These are letters that I actually have in my possession that I've scanned in. Okay. More beautiful elements and florals. Guest checks, because we're going to be using those for the layering. Another vintage paper. This is a music, front page of music that again I hold in my possession and I've scanned it in. So you can't find that nowhere else. Nor this. It's a land indenture. And it's huge. It's huge. So I just scanned a small section of it. And, you know, I've used this in the classes. These I've shared before, but you've got those and some more pretty papers. Then we've got these tickets. I've used loads for layering. And these are used for the butterflies and the numbers. And then I've given you my coffee dyed. I think there's 14 or 50 pages here. 14 or 15. My pretty coffee dyed patterned papers. Now that one's created digitally. These ones, I actually physically created these at home with some decorative mats and then scanned them in. So with this masterclass, you're getting these free. You can also buy these separately on my Ko-fi if you like, but the masterclass is a very, very, very good deal. A very good deal. Okay, and people might think, well, if you're charging such low prices, Amanda, maybe the content's not great. The content is amazing. I like to give value for money. And people might think, well, how do you make any money charging them prices? I make money because I have lots and lots and lots and lots of members. So I make enough. I do all right, okay? Sometimes charging a fortune for things is not the way to go, okay? And I like to make sure that these things are accessible. I think everybody can afford £3 or $4 USD, okay? Even if it's just for 1 month and then you leave, that's absolutely fine. That doesn't offend me. But 9 times out of 10 people stay, or they come and go, and that is absolutely fine, okay? And it's very, very easy to join and then unsubscribe when you need a break. It's not a problem. So you're getting all of that. You've got the class layout, 10 classes, clickable link to a private playlist, and we're going to make this beauty. 63 pages. You might not use them all, but I like to give you options. Lots and lots of options. And you can use these in other journals as well. So let me show you what we're making and why this masterclass is awesome. Because we've created what I call a tatty vintage soft cover journal. Okay, so I show you how to put the signatures together. I show you how to put the book block together because we're doing it in a different way. I show you how to make the cover. We can see the spine there, okay, and it's fabulous. It's not overwhelming because we're doing it one class at a time. And I go in the videos in great detail so you can follow me very, very closely. Don't edit anything out. I don't speed it up. We're crafting in real time, so you're gonna learn a lot, and along the way, as well as showing you what I'm doing, I give you hints and tips. I tell you why we're doing things, why we don't do other things. I give you a heap of information. So we make this lovely cover, and this is one of the focuses of what we're doing, which is layering like a pro. Okay, so here all the images that you're seeing are all in those collections. We've got a pocket there, we've got a pocket there. Okay, and this is very much my kind of style of doing this kind of journal. Okay, very, 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 very Amanda. Okay, but you can totally make it your own as well. The things that you're going to learn in this masterclass, you'll take with you and you'll use as you go. All right, so lots of layering going on there. I show you every single layer and exactly where to put it, why we're putting it there. If I change my mind, you know, you'll see you'll see all of my thought process. Then in here I've used just brown, a thick brown page from an old music book there, but you can use anything. We've got a half pocket page here. Again, we've got aged effects. There's a class on aging things. Okay, vintage postcards. We do the ruffles. We do all sorts of things. So here's the beautiful papers. We talk about stenciling and sewing. I've splattered the pages with gold paint. We've got all these kind of layers going on, and ephemera. It's fabulous. And then I show you how just simple supplies that you've probably already got in your crafty stash make fantastic elements in your journals. Okay, I've got another I'll show you how to make these large clusters that are brilliant, and they're multifunctional. You can use them for lots of different things. Okay, it's a stunning journal. I'm going to go through it quite quickly. These are separate elements, these clusters, and there's a heap of layers on there. We've rolled the paper over, we've ripped it, we've aged it, we've sewn, we've added fabric. I take you through step by step how I do my tatty vintage clusters. And we've got a heap of ephemera to stuff in all of the pockets. Okay, it's still quite a simple journal. It's not difficult, it's not overwhelming, it's very simple to do. And here we've got a full page layout with the layering, okay, with all of the little tucks and the little pockets again, okay. So there we've used it for a front cover. Here we've used it as a full page layout, okay. So it's versatility of what I'm showing you as well. It's not a one-trick pony, and you can take the ideas and use what I'm showing you in the masterclass for any collection you like, okay. All right, so, and I do encourage people to leave a lot of blank space. I always do in my journal making, because I think journals shouldn't just sit collecting dust looking pretty. They need to be used, they need to be filled with memories. You need to expand on what you've done. So, you know, you've got your bags here to put tickets or memorabilia in. You've got your pages for writing your thoughts or your prayers or your memories or your travel or whatever, okay. They are to be used. No point sat there doing nothing, or else you think, what's the point, okay. But as well as that, they are a fantastic form of artwork. It's just the same as some people like to paint or make quilts or do pottery. It's a form of an expression of your artistic creativity, okay. That's another one. And then we've got this lovely, showing you how to use your just basic, this is lined paper that I've ripped out of a notepad. I've made it look tatty and we've aged it. I tell you all of this. And here we've got an envelope half-page flip, okay. We've made use of basic metalwork there, very, very basic. I'll show you exactly how to do all of that. And again, we've got those lovely tucks. Here we've got some embossing with some gold detail on. I show you everything, okay. Show you, we've made this ephemera into a little notebook. I've just done a public video on making these look rusted, okay. And then, you know, we make the things and we batch make them. So with the clusters, I encourage you to go away and make a heap of them, and then we'll use them throughout the journal. Same with the layered, with these. I tell you to go away and make a heap of them, and then you can use them for various things. So you get everything step by step. Okay, here's another one. It's absolutely stunning, okay. Absolutely beautiful. Very much my style, this. I love it. We've got some embroidery here and a little mother of pearl button, lots and lots of detail and tiny little layers, but all put in a specific place so that you can see every single thing you can see. Every single thing that I've glued on that page, you can see it, okay? And that is the, it's the way to do your layering. Layering like a pro. Am I a professional layerer? I think after years and years of doing this, we can say that I am, okay? Professional idiot, my husband will say. Beautiful stenciling and gold splattering and tabs with fabric on. It's just beautiful. And then we've got another one here. And using basic things and adding ephemera to them. That's just a time card. But by adding just a tab and a butterfly and some sewing and some inking, we've made it look old. And we've made it interesting for our journal. So we go through all of this step by step. It's fabulous. Tip-ins, I talk about tip-ins. So I give you a really good example, and then you can put as many or as few throughout your journal as you want. It depends how thick and bulky you want it. So all vintage images here that I've given you, that goes like that. That one goes like that. That one goes like that. I must have opened this already. So this all opens so you can journal in it, okay? But then it will close up like so, okay? And that will go in there. That will go in there. So you've got all of these lovely layers, and then at the back here you've got another one, and then we're putting this paper clip just under this flower to hold it all together. So you get all of this step by step, okay, in real time, so it's not hard to follow. Plus, if you save the playlist, you have got those videos there to refer back to it at any time you like, okay? And I've given you the PDF with the playlist link, so even if you leave the membership, so long as you save that link somewhere, you'll always be able to access those videos. It's a lifetime thing. Well, as long as YouTube leave it up. Okay, more beautiful vintage these documents that are from my personal collection that I'm sharing with you. Okay, beautiful. These are some of the tea dyed and coffee dyed printables that I'm sharing with you. I've also done my own tea dyeing. This is the music book cover that's from my personal collection. Okay, that I've sized for you to use. And there we go. We're coming towards the end. And then I've just added a very simple seam binding closure. This is silk seam binding. It's very, very tatter, but it's very, very pretty. And you can make this journal if you follow my videos. There's 6 hours worth of videos. Some of them, you know, I kind of show you something and then you have to go away, give you homework, okay? But I reckon you could create this journal in a couple of days maximum. You'd have to prep all of your pages, watch the videos, but you could do it in a couple of days. And as I say, the videos are, it's about 6 hours, so you could watch them from start to finish whilst you're doing your crafting in your craft room, to get the gist, and then go back and re-follow them and watch as you create and follow me step by step, and you will be able to create this fabulous tatty vintage French vintage journal. So I'll leave all the links in the description box below if you're interested, okay? And it's a beautiful, beautiful journal. It's turned out gorgeous. Lots of my members have followed as I've been doing the videos. You know, they've been following them as I've been uploading them. So now the class is over and all of the videos are done. I've done all of the housework, the class lists. I've updated all of the downloads so they're all in an easier format. It's ready for you guys to maybe check out. And it's also maybe an opportunity to give my membership a try, because I can tell you for now, it's the best value membership out there for digitals and for journal makers, mini album makers, folio makers, card makers, you name it. It is the best value going, because there is thousands and thousands of pages on that site that are available to you. I don't limit it to the month you join. When you join, you get access to everything. Whilst you remember, you've got access to everything, but you can come and go as you please. So there you go. That is my French Vintage Journal Masterclass. Journal making doesn't get any easier. I take you through step by step. You can totally and utterly make one of these, and it is absolutely beautiful. You will feel so accomplished and so proud of yourself when you've done. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.